Hello, welcome back guys. In this video, I will explain accounting equation in a more precise and logical way. So, the accounting equation is assets equal to equity plus liabilities. Asset is whatever the business owns and can generate future economic benefits for the business. It can be cash, inventory, equipments, or anything. Equity is the owner's investment in the business, while liabilities are the present obligation for the business and it must be repaid in the future. So, according to this equation, we could say that whatever the business owns equal to whatever the business owes. For the left side, we could easily say that whatever the business owns is assets, while for the right side, the business owes equity to the owner and the business owes liabilities to the third parties. It can be bank, it can be a friend. This is how you could say that whatever the business owns equal to whatever the business owes. So you can rearrange the accounting equation as well based on the requirement. You could say that equity is equal to assets minus liabilities. And you can say that liabilities equals to assets minus equity. Equity also can be referred as capital. Keep in mind that this accounting equation is the backbone of bookkeeping process. So keep in mind that equity section is consisted of owner's investment plus revenue less expenses less dividends. So this is all about accounting equation. We will jump into the examples to understand it more precisely and logically. For the first example, we have that owner invested $1,000 cash into the business. So we all know that whenever an owner invests into the business, the equity section is increased. So for the accounting equation for the right side, 1000 increase in equity section. Plus 0, we have not borrowed anything from anyone. So for the left side, we have that cash is also increased with 1000, which is assets for the business. So 1000 for the left side and 1000 for the right side. This is how the accounting equation is balanced. So let's have the next example. The next example is a business buys furniture for $200 cash. So we know that whenever the business buys something with cash, so the cash is decreasing with in red here in this transaction, cash is decreased with 200, but with another side we have furniture and furniture is assets for the business. So cash is decreased with 200 and furniture is increased with 200. So no overall no effect on accounting equation. We will have 1000 for this side and 1000 again for this side. Why? Because while the cash is assets, it has decreased, and for the other side, the furniture is assets and it has increased. So no overall effect on accounting equation. Example, we have a business take a bank loan for $5,000. So we had $1,000 cash and $1,000 owner's investment in the business. So right here, $1,000 owner's investment into the business, which we had previously from the previous example, plus, and we had zero borrowings or liabilities. So now in this example, $5,000 is being borrowed from the bank. So we have $5,000 liabilities now. So if you add them, 5,000, 1,000 will become 6,000. So $6,000 assets equal to $6,000 the right side as well. For the next example, we have that the business purchased inventory for $3,000 on credit. So we had $6,000 assets for the left side and $5,000 liabilities and $1,000 equity from the previous example. So a business purchased inventory is increased with $3,000, which is so inventory is assets for the business and it has increased with $3,000. So right here we had $6,000 from the previous example plus $3,000 also increased in this transaction equal to $1,000 from the owner's investment plus $5,000 from the bank loan plus $3,000 from this purchase that we now on this transaction. So right here we will have $9,000 for the left side and you will have $9,000 for the right side as well. So these are three examples that we implement on accounting equation. And how will it work? Those are all the basics concepts about accounting equation. So keep in mind that subscribe to our channel.